Hi everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to stop Outlook from automatically deleting or moving your emails in 2026. Now, this issue is usually caused by the hidden rules, sweep settings, and forwarding configurations. So let's walk through it, how you can fix it step by step. So first of all, you need to open the Outlook application on your computer. Then simply click on the gear icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now, once you are able to see this particular settings pop up in front of you, simply go to the section of mail. In the mail, simply go to the option of rules. Now here in the rules, you just have to simply look for the option of rules carefully. If you see any of the rules that says delete or move to the deleted items, you just have to click on the trash icon and next to it in order to basically remove it. But as you can see in my account, there is no such rules available, so I'm not gonna do it. But if you see any kind of this thing here, simply just remove that particular rule. Now once you have done that, simply click on the option of sweeps in the center panel. Now, sweep settings are basically designed to automatically clean up the emails from the specific senders. So if you see any kind of sweep rules here that you didn't intend to set, you can also move them to the trash. You can also go to the option of forwarding, and here if you have any forwarding enabled, make sure the checkbox for keep a copy of forwarded message is also checked. If this is unchecked, Outlook is going to send the email to the other addresses and immediately removes it from your inbox. Finally, simply go to the option of the junk email section here. You just have to scroll down on this page at the bottom. Here you need to ensure that you have not blocked a safe sender by mistakes in the blocked senders or the domains list. So once you have verified these settings, you just have to close the window and your emails should now stay safely in your inbox. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.